Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. My name's Charlie Beam for anyone who's new here, and if you are new, thank you so much for coming and I hope you enjoy. In today's video, I'm going to show you some cute and quick hairstyles that are good for back to school or going back to uni or work, or just some general inspiration for when you don't really know what to do with your hair. This video is for me as much as it is for you, because sometimes I get stuck with what to do with my hair. So I thought I'd just put a little compilation of hairstyles together for me to look back on, or for you to look back on when you don't know what to do. These hairstyles work well for short curly hair with a fringe like mine, but that's not to say that they can't be used for all kinds of hair. For straight hair, for really long hair, I think they'd work well for all of them. So let's get started. So hairstyle number one, this is the one that I go to most often when I want to change up my hair a little bit and I really can't be bothered, and it's super simple. All you need is a headband. You can find these pretty much anywhere, like any clothes shop, any accessories bit. I have no idea where this one in particular is from because I think it was a gift, but I usually like ones that are like this kind of satiny material. It means that they're smooth and it will glide over my hair, so it won't cause so much friction, because curly hair can get quite frizzy if you use materials that are too harsh on it. But yeah, this is really simple. I just pop this on my head. It's kind of hard with hoops, maybe I shouldn't have worn them, but you gotta look good. And yeah, I just put it on my head, but I make sure to leave my fringe out when I pull it back up, like so. I think I've got it all out. There. Perfect. This one I think is just super cute when you're feeling a bit lazy and you don't really know what to do. I think this one is my favourite one to go to, and it's just really simple but makes quite a big change to your hair, and I feel like it actually looks like you put effort into it, so that's all good. But yeah, this is hairstyle number one. That brings me on to my second hairstyle. This one is like the first one, but I feel like it takes it up a notch. I think it's a bit classier and makes me feel like I'm in the south of France riding a bike with a baguette, you know? And that is with a silky or satin scarf. This scarf I think I got from a vintage store. It was literally like £2, and you can pretty much find them from any in any charity shop or vintage shop or anything. They're not that hard to find. So start off with a square, and I usually fold it in half to make a triangle, like so, you can see. And then from that triangle I just kind of roll it or fold it to make it more of a long rectangle thing. Yeah, so just roll it like so until you get this. Don't worry about if there's little bits sticking out, because you can always fold them in and tuck them in after. So then all I do here is just pop it where my fringe begins and tie it up around the back behind my ears. There we go, like so. And I think this looks really cool with the hoops. I think it gives it kind of 70s vibe, and usually I like to leave the ends hanging down, ideally with like one short than the other, just to jazz it up a bit. But yeah, I like to leave it a bit hanging down just because I think it looks quite cool. It's again another one of my go-tos because it literally takes like 2 seconds to do and is really easy, but looks really nice, and like you put way more effort in than it actually was. If you don't like the bits hanging down and you'd rather just have it as like the typical headband, you can tuck these bits into the rest of the headband. Usually I do it at the back, but I'm just going to show you at the front because it's a bit easier. So if you just wrap it around the other bit to tuck it in, and keep going until there's not really any left. That usually holds it quite secure, so then it just looks like a singular headband, and this obviously works for the first hairstyle if you don't have one of those elasticated headbands and you don't want the bits hanging down. You can just do this and it works just as well. So yeah. The next hairstyle, hairstyle number 3, is one for when you're feeling really lazy. Usually I do this when my hair's looking a bit rough, like when it's, I don't know, day 5 hair or something, and like the ends are still a bit curly but the rest is kind of a fuzzy mess. When that's the case, the claw clip is your best friend. This one I think I got from Wilko or Superdrug. Don't quote me on that, I'm not exactly sure, but particularly for curly hair, and if your hair's quite thick, I suggest going for the biggest one that you can find, which is what I did, because I find that if you get a smaller one, it doesn't quite hold as well. So this one is just like a nice simple brown one which blends quite well in with my hair. And for this hairstyle, literally all you do is take your hair up into like this ponytail thing with your hand, and then what we're going to do is twist it once so the curls are at the top of your head, and then grab the clip and just clip it, clip the twisted bit like so. When that's all secure, you can just fluff out the curls at the top just to give it a bit more dimension, and then we have it. This like little curly updo, which I think is really cute. Handy if it's like a hot summer's day and your neck's getting a bit sweaty from your hair down the back of it. This is one I really like to do when I'm getting a bit hot and sweaty, or if I need to do work and I just want my hair out of the way. So yeah, that's that one. Another variation of the claw clip one is to just put your hair in a high ponytail. So with that I just use a scrunchie, probably the satiny material again, and just scoop all my hair up as high as it will go. I'm usually quite messy with these because I'm not that fussed about it looking super neat. I think with curly hair you can kind of get away with it not looking incredibly neat. Just do that, make it into like a pineapple, and then just tie it up. I usually do about 3 because that's as far as my hairband will go, and then pull it fluff out and make a real nice high pineapple knot. I think that looks really cute. Again, really nice for summer, and I think it looks really elegant. My nan always tells me that she likes this hairstyle on me, and this also looks really cute with the bun and the hairband. This takes us on to hairstyle number 4, I think. This one I think is super cute, and one again that I like to do if my hair is not looking the best. So we're gonna do space buns. So again, like I said, I'm not too fussed if it looks super messy, so I don't use anything to make a parting or anything, which is, I guess, I mean, if you want to make a parting you can, but each of their own. So I just separate it into 2 sections, and then with one take a hairband and tie that up. Now, if you want, you can stop here and leave it like this. This looks really nice as well, giving me like Spice Girl vibe. But if you want to continue this hairstyle, or like I said, if your curls aren't looking too fresh, you can just take the buns, twist them like so, and then twist it round into this bun formation. And then I just take a smaller hairband like this, one of the skinny little ones. You've got to be careful with these because these break super easy if you have really thick hair, and because they're quite tight, I usually only put these on like just once. So I just pop it on once, I don't bother twisting it and wrapping it around again. Make one bun. Do the same on the other side. If you have a light coloured hairband like me, try and wrap the hair around it, and then add your hairband again. There we go. They're a little bit lopsided today, probably because I'm rushing, but there. Another hairstyle that kind of looks like the space buns I like to do is a half up, half down one. I just take a little bit of hair from the top section or this side section of hair like this, and just use one of these skinny hairbands and tie it up like that, and then do the same on the right side as well. And there we go. Sorry about the lighting, it's getting super dark out really quickly, so I just hope that you can see as well as possible. But yeah, next hairstyle. So again, this is going to be a half up, half down one, but this time just one ponytail. So usually I go from the top of my ear on either side with my thumbs and just go back and collect the hair along the way. Grab a hairband or a scrunchie, whatever you feel like. I'm going to go for a scrunchie and just tie it up like so. There we go. On days when I don't feel like having my fringe out, or it's getting on my nerves, or it's looking a bit messy and I can't be bothered to refresh, I like to do a half up, half down, but include my fringe alongside it. So I take up my fringe and just go, this time just with the very top bits of my hair, and scoop it up like so. I secure this with a little claw clip. Clip it on like so. This gets my fringe out of my face, but still looks super cute. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really sorry about the lighting change throughout this video. It's really hard working in the winter and it gets dark super early and I've got lots to do, but I really hope that this video was enjoyable for you and also informative. See you in the next one. Bye.